guys, it's that time again. It's my CVS haul for the week of December 6th through to December 12th. Now we have a lot of stuff going on at CVS this week, so if you guys haven't done your shopping yet, I suggest you guys go out and get cracking. Now this haul that you're looking at right here is a money maker. I'm gonna start off with these Secret dry spray. This Secret dry spray is on a promotion, $6.99 for one. Buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy four you earn a $7 extra buck. Now in yesterday's insert, because I'm filming this on Monday, so in Sunday's inserts we got a buy one get one free in the, I believe it was the Retail Me Not. Now you need to pick four up. One is $6.99 and the second one is going to be $3.49. So when you purchase four of them, that puts you at let me see, $20.98. Yes guys, all four came up to $20.96. Now if you use that BOGO coupon, it's gonna take the max, which I believe was $5.99 off one, so it's gonna take off $5.99 twice, which subtotal both of them is going to be, after the coupons that deducted, they're stick a pin, they're going to deduct $11.98, because you're going to get $5.99 deducted from one and you're going to get $5.99 deduct from the other one. So in all, with that BOGO coupon, they're going to take off $11.98. Now, so that's going to put you at $8.98. Now I had two of the 2 offer 3 Secret, Old Spice, and I believe Degree dry spray. So I stacked those two bad boys together and that dropped it down to $2.98. Then I had a $2 off Secret CRT. It didn't say Secret deodorant, it just says Secret CRT, and it took $2 off, so I end up paying only 98 cents for all four, and I got a $7 extra buck back. Now I took my receipt to coupons.com. Coupons.com gave me back $5.99 for buying two. So at CVS, this was a money maker to begin with, because it was a 602 money maker at CVS, and then when I submit my receipt to checkout, not checkout 51, to coupons.com, I got an additional $5.99, which made this a $12.01 money maker. I haven't submitted my receipt yet to Fetch. I'm not sure what's going on Fetch or Shopkick, but I could guarantee you if there's a rebate on there, I am going to submit my receipt. Now I did this spend 30 get 10. And of course, everybody's doing the all and the snuggle deal because of those coupons that became available. Now, the coupons that are the $1.50 off one for the all, it's attaching to the snuggle. Yes, that $1.50 off one all liquid or all power packs, it's attaching to the snuggle fabric softener. Yes, so I purchased three of the all power packs. They're right here. In that transaction, I also purchased 2 of the Snuggle Dryer Sheets. I also purchased 2 of the Snuggle Liquid, 1 of the All Liquid, and that Tide Pods. The Tide Pods are $4.94. So let me show you the receipt. Come on, where you at? Okay. So this is one of the receipts. This one here, I have the 2 Kisses, the Hershey's. These are on a promotion, 2 for $6. When you buy 2, you earn a $2 extra buck. Now we got a 2 offer 2 printed last week, and I also had a $1 off of 6 candy. So that was, I think, it came out to 50 cents each, because 2 of them for $6. It took $2 off, dropping it down to 4. Then I used the $1 off one, drop it down to 3, and I got $2 back. So they were 50 cents a piece. So here I have both Kisses. Here I have the all Snuggle. all on Snuggle. And the CoverGirl this week is spend 18, get a $7 extra buck. So these are all the coupons that I used. Yes, these are all the coupons that I used. Oh, the CoverGirl is, yeah, spend 18, get a $7 extra buck. I had a 3 off of 15. I also had a $3 CoverGirl CRT that became available this morning. It's printing for everyone. What else? These are all the CRT's coupons that I used, and I end up paying 14 cents out of pocket. With tax, I end up paying $2.98. So I pay 14 cents out of pocket, and I got $10 back for doing the spend 30 get 10, and I got $2 back for doing the candy deal, and I got $7 back for doing the CoverGirl. So in the next I had us to do different transactions, guys, because one thing, if I have a lot of coupons, I try not to do everything in one transactions, because number one, it breaks the register. I don't know if it happened to you guys, but it have happened to me several times where I did like a big transaction where my subtotal was like over $150. And after the coupons and CRTs, it just broke the register. So I decided to do them in different transactions. Here I did the oral care deal. I wasn't going to do it, but because these coupons became available this morning, I was like, whoa. Not this morning, yesterday morning when I got up, I saw a 5 off a 3 and 6 off a 3 or 6 off a 4. I'm like, okay, this needs to be attached. So at first when I did the transaction, it wasn't, not me, a customer, a fellow couponer, she did the deal with the oral care, and for some reason the 5 off wasn't coming off, or the 6 off wasn't coming off. So I'm like, you know what, this is what you do. You have to do it in its own transaction. Do not mix the oral care with any other items. Just do the oral care by itself. So that's what I did, and boom, my coupons came off. So here I have the Oral-B toothbrush. These are $3.99. When you buy 3, you earn a $4 extra buck. The Crest toothpaste, they're on a promotion also. These are buy 3. Is it buy 3? Yeah, buy 3, you earn a $5 extra buck with a limit of, I believe, 2. The Tresemme, why I did the Tresemme in this deal is because I wanted to do this quickly so that I could catch the rebate on IBOTTA before it disappears. A lot of people had different times when it disappeared. My time was for, I think it was 12 noon. So I had us to do this quickly. Some people had theirs disappeared before they even went shopping. So with that being said, here I have 3 of the Oral-B toothbrush, 2 Tresemme, and Tresemme is buy 1 get 1 50, and when you buy 2, you earn a $2 extra buck. And IBOTTA was giving back $1 back for each one, so $2 back from IBOTTA. So, and here I have the Crest toothpaste. These are the ones that are $4.39. So with that being said, here my 6 off Oral-B came off, my 5 off came off. I had a Tresemme on my card because I didn't have that Tresemme that became available in the inserts. For some reason, I'll get certain coupons, they're regional. If I go like to Walmart and buy the paper, I will get, that's the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, I'll get these coupons. But if I buy it, like say from the gas station or CVS, where they have that, you know, that newspaper for that for your area, certain coupons you will not get, because when I purchased that at CVS, I did not get the Axe coupon in that newspaper, and that newspaper is 75 cents. I did not get the Tresemme coupon in there. I got the Secret coupon in there, but when I buy the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, which is I think $3.50, you get the Axe coupons, you'll get the CoverGirl coupons, you get the Tresemme, you get the Nexus, but for some reason, I don't know. But with that being said, here, all my coupons and CRTs scanned beautiful. I paid 62 cents out of pocket, but in return, I got $5 back for doing the crest. I got 4 for doing the Oral-B, that's 9. And I get 2 for doing the Tresemme, that's 11. Then I took my receipt over to IBOTTA right there in the parking lot, and I got $1 back for each Tresemme. The other thing up here is the axe. I wasn't gonna do the axe, but I had some CRTs because I did other transaction with the other cards I have, and I used the BOGO axe. But for this one, I didn't have the BOGO axe coupon. So, come on, focus. Here, okay, here the axe. They're $5.99 each. So I purchased 2 of, yes, as a matter of fact, this is the one I used the BOGO coupon on. $5.99, $5.99. I purchased 2 of them. They took, the cashier took $5.99 off of the BOGO. I had 2 of Axe shower gel, and I had $1.50 off Axe shower gel. So I paid $2.49 for the 2, or $1.25 each, which is not bad for Axe because, as I said, the Axe, they're $6. I know IBOTTA have a rebate, but it's not for the body wash. I think it's for the shampoo and conditioner. What's the next thing up here? What's the next thing? Okay, yes, guys. So, with that being said, I submitted my receipt. Oh, guys, let's stick a pin. Come on now. Let's stick a pin. These aromatherapy neck and shoulder wrap. I've been getting these CRTs, and I've never use these CRTs because I'm like, what the heck is this? Let me move these so you guys could get a better look. If you happen to get a CRT that says a sharper image, do not throw it away. Now, I have a CRT that said $15 off sharper image. When I researched sharper image at CVS, I realized it's some pain relief, wrap. They have the shoulder wrap. They have, what's the other one they carry? I don't remember the other one they carry. But anyways, I'm like, okay, I'm going to try this out. So I realized when I went online, I realized they have one for $29.99. So I said to myself, if I buy the one for $29.99, use that $15 off, and use that, if I use that $15 off, right there, I'm going to get $15 off. It's going to drop it down to $15. Then I had a 5 off a 25 pane. Apply that, it's going to drop it down to $10. And I had $1 off 5 pane, it would drop it down to $9. So when I went into CVS and I inquire about the sharper image product, I saw these, and these were, matter of fact, these weren't priced. So I went to the red box and I scanned it. They were saying the regular price is $19.99, but it's on sale for $9.99. So as you could see, I have 2, and there's the other one. I have 3. I picked up 3 of them with subtotal $30. So instead of getting one, as I had originally planned, I got 3 of them. So 3 of them came out to $30. So 3 of them came out to $30. Which I mean $29.97, but I just say $30. I use that $15 off, right? Then I'm left with $15. I use the 5 off pane CRT. It drop it down to $10. I use the $1 off 5 pane CRT. It drop it down to $9. So I pay $9, which was the price of one. And I got all 3 of them. So you can say 2 was free. Yes, guys. $9.99. $9 for all 3 aromatherapy neck and shoulder wrap. And sometimes, guys, you're on the computer or just overall worked, you're overworked, and your shoulder might be tensed. So let me see what this says. Filled with natural herbs, heat it in the microwave, cools in the freezer. So you could use it as a cold compress or as a warm compress. And inside here you have lemongrass, lavender, chamomile, peppermint. Yep. So if you have this CRT, guys, do not throw this away. check it out and see what you could get. Let's see what else. Okay, so I went over to IBOTTA and I submitted my receipt. For the dryer sheets, for the Snuggle Dryer Sheets, I got $3 back. IBOTTA is giving back $1.50 off one on any Snuggle Dryer Sheets 40 count or higher. So I got $3 there. For the softener, I got $1.50 off one, back from one, times two, which is $3. For the Tresemme, I got $2 back, $1 times two. And for buying two Snuggle, I got a $1 Snuggle bonus. So I end up getting back $9 from IBOTTA and $5.99 from coupons.com. So guys, this is a money maker. As I said, everything was completely free and a 1201 money maker. I have another deal. I might upload the video as well as I might not, but I'm gonna I'm gonna go back to CVS maybe on Wednesday and do another haul. I couldn't do a video in CVS on Sunday for the fact that as I went into CVS, all I wanted to do was go straight to the all or to the laundry section, because I know if I hadn't done that, it would have been gone. And it's a good thing I did. So I went there and I went straight there and I got these, and I'm like, you know what? I have no time to film this. I just want to get it and get out, because there were other couponers in there. So, you know, if I was taking my time to, you know, film and all of that, you know, just the interruption and, you know, people around me. So I decided not to do an in-store video. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know what is your favorite deal for this week at CVS. If you have a special deal, just let me know. Or if you guys want to try one of my deals, you know, just let me know which one you guys are willing to try. And as I said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to put up a, what you call it, a Google Doc or whatever y'all call it, so that you guys can see the deals in more detail. So with that being said, guys, take care. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.